penetration of internet into the developed versus the developing world is vast. The developed world has a high amount of internet usage, while the developing world has very little usage at all. However, it should be noted that each year, the amount of growth in developed countries is gradually increasing. When analyzing the digital divide, it can be seen that there are two groups of people. The first being digital natives, which are people born or brought up during the age of digital technology and are therefore more familiar with the internet from an early age. On the other hand, digital immigrants are those who were not brought up during the age of technology and therefore are not as familiar with the technology and its uses. With an increased use in developed countries, it is very obvious in these graphs that there are more digital natives present in the developed countries versus developing countries. The percentage of non-digital natives, who are also known as digital immigrants, is much lower in developed nations versus developing nations on a worldwide scale. However, there are still more digital natives than there are non-digital natives. Within the developing and the developed world, gender differences can also be seen. In the developed world, men and women tend to use the internet equally. However, in the developing world, there seems to be increased use among men, while women tend to use the internet less.